Sharpening knives efficiently is a must for any kitchen, and there's a surprising tool you likely already own: a ceramic mug. By using the unglazed bottom rim of the mug, individuals can easily and quickly sharpen their knives at home. Simply position the knife at a 20-degree angle against the mug's surface, pulling it across the rim from heel to tip, 5 to 10 times on each side. This technique utilizes the ceramic's slight abrasiveness to restore the edge without additional equipment or costs. For everyone looking to maintain their kitchen tools without hassle, this straightforward hack ensures knives remain sharp and effective for meal preparation.